Hello everybody, and welcome to our dense packing video. My name is Scott Taylor with Unified Installation. This is Jeremiah Thomas with Unified and Jason Haas. Today we're going to be demonstrating on how to properly dense pack walls with cellulose. Jeremiah, do you want to explain to us what some of the benefits for using cellulose is?
Cellulose is a great product made of recycled newspaper. Gives you a air sealing and acoustic abilities. Our value is the resistance of the temperature from outside to inside. And a 2x4 wall, you have an R13.6. Our value for a 2x6 wall is R21. And what this is going to do is save you money.
So here at our demo wall, we have some stuff set up to where we can show you different methods of insulating a wall cavity. In the first one here, this is an open cell foam. You can see how when they use this method, the wood actually sucks the moisture out of the foam and you get shrinkage. So that in turn leads to air loss and heat transfer through the wall. I've actually personally experienced blowing walls with the foam in it, and whenever I've drilled into it and I've put the tube into the wall, this is what you find. Over the years, it gets to be where it just crumbles and breaks down. On an average 1,000 square foot house, you should be able to put about 25 pound bags of cellulose insulation into 1,000 square foot. When I came across this, we still put 18 bags in. So to me, that is telling you that it is not doing much of anything. When we move past the foam and we get into an empty wall cavity like this, there's two different kinds of construction that they do on homes. You have platform and balloon framing. A lot of balloon framing back in the day with older homes had a lot of fire blockers. So when Jason gets up here to demonstrate on how to blow these walls, we're going to show you how you find these, so where if you hit one, you can drill above it and get the rest of the wall cavity.
All right, so we're now going to have Jason shove the hose into the wall cavity. And as Scott had mentioned, experienced insulator is going to know that once he hits a blocker, he's going to have to drill another hole above to finish insulating that wall cavity. As he's blowing, you're going to notice the insulation comes down from the bottom. You want to pull it out just a little bit more. The insulation is going to start flowing down to the bottom, and it's going to rise up. Once the insulation gets up here, it's going to start dense packing off. Once it's dense packed off, he's going to pull the hose out about 6 inches, and then just give it a little extra packing. That way we can get the wall packed at 3.5 pounds per square foot. And to demonstrate the air sealing, you can see that the pressure of the insulation is blowing the plexiglass away from the blocker, and just shows that the insulation air seals while it's dense packing. And at this point, he's got the wall pretty much dense packed up high, so he's turned it on air. Now he's going to take the hose and reverse it and send it downward so he can finish dense packing the bottom half. So this application can be done on existing homes, vinyl siding. We remove one row of siding around your exterior walls, first and second floor, above windows, and drill every 16 inches to dense pack every cavity. This can also be done with a aluminum siding home. With brick, we have to do an interior drill around the inside perimeter of your home.
And with it being a preferred method for home weatherization with the government and the counties, we also, any home that is built before 1978, we work lead safe. Our guys are certified in lead safety.
This is a much cheaper application than blown-in fiberglass or foam.
On average, when you're talking cellulose compared to the open cell foam that some companies use, you're talking about 1/3 of the fraction for cost for that application.
I just want to remind the customers that there is a tax credit for your insulation if you have any installed this year.
All right, everybody, thank you for joining us today. And we'll have all the links in the description and the video below for you. You know, I hope this was educational for you. You might be lucky enough if you call us today, you'll get Jeremiah to come out there and give you a free estimate. Thank you.